Hey guys, my name is Chad Schroffgruben, and over the course of this series, I will be teaching you how to create your very own WordPress website. WordPress is an incredibly powerful blogging software that is used by many developers across the internet. Even big-name websites like CNN.com, The Wall Street Journal, and a host of others use WordPress as their choice for content management. It's free and it's powerful, and anyone can use it. So by the time we're done here, you'll be well on your way to creating your very first website. So let's get started. First, we'll need to find a web host to install WordPress on. There are many free web hosts out there, but I would recommend that you buy some web space because it's more reliable, you get more, and you get access to tools like allowing you to install WordPress basically with a click of a button. I recommend the hosting company that I use. They're very reliable, affordable, and they have a lot of powerful features. So go ahead and click on the link that you see now in your tutorial details box. This will take you to the web hosting company. Now, once you get on this website, we will want to look at the different web hosting packages they offer. So let's click on web hosting right on their menu. Now, they have three main packages that they offer. And each of them are really affordable if you actually look at what you're getting here. So which plan is best for you? Well, you do, as I said, get a lot with any of these plans. If you're just looking to start with one website, I would recommend the first plan. But if you're looking for something a little bit more robust, maybe you want to do multiple websites, the second plan is good as well. If you're looking for a big server, full of different options like a toll-free number and other stuff, you might want to choose the business plan. It's ideal for bigger businesses or businesses that are starting out. So once you choose your plan, just click on Order Now. Now, we need to choose a domain name. Choosing a domain name is very important. This is how people are going to get to your website. This is what they type into their web browsers to go to your website. So it's important to keep your domain name unique. Make sure it doesn't look too similar to another domain name out there, or else people might go to that website instead. Also, make sure that the domain name is easy to remember so that people can remember it and type it in and go to your website. And along with that, make sure it's easy to type in. Those are just some tips. If you would like more tips, check out the article I have in the details box. It provides some great information. And if you're really looking into internet marketing, there are other tutorials coming that focus specifically on this subject. So sign up for the newsletter and stay tuned because they'll be coming. Anyway, once you have chosen a domain name, you can enter it in this box right here, or you can choose to transfer a domain name from another server if you already have one. But once you have the domain name, you just type it into the box. In this case, I'll just choose test 1985 as just an example. And then we go to step 2. Now here you'll get to the billing information stage. Here you can verify again what you want your billing cycle and package to be. If you buy a bunch of months at once for your billing cycle, the cheaper it will be. So something to keep in mind when going through and doing your registration here. But after that, you put in a username and you put in a security pin, which is basically a password, but it has numbers instead of, different characters. Then after that, you put in your billing information, your first name, last name, email, and email is important along with everything else because that's how they send the information to you to log in to the back end of your web space. But once you've put in all of this information, you've put in your credit card information and everything, You just come down here and verify that everything is correct, and you just create your account, and then check your email, because then you'll get access to your account, you'll get your invoice for the payment that you're doing, and so on. So be sure you check your email. And that takes care of our first lesson. Next time, we'll talk about logging into the backend of your web space and then installing WordPress. So I'll see you guys then.